Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into DaVinci Resolve for subtitle workflow, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Once the application loads, you will see the project manager on the screen. In the project manager, locate the new project button. Click on the new project button to create a new project. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to enter a project name. Type in a name for your project that reflects the content you will be working on. After entering the name, click on the Create button to open the project. Now that your project is open, navigate to the Edit page at the bottom of the interface. On the Edit page, you will see the timeline and media pool. Import your video files by dragging them into the media pool. Select the video file you want to add subtitles to. Drag the selected video file onto the timeline. Next, ensure the playhead is positioned at the beginning of the timeline. Now, click on the Effects Library tab on the top left. In the Effects Library, find the Titles section. Select text from the Titles options and drag it onto the timeline above your video. Position the text clip where you want the subtitles to display. With the text clip selected, navigate to the Inspector panel on the top right. In the inspector, you can type your subtitle text in the text box. Adjust the font, size, and color as needed in the inspector to ensure readability. Use the playhead to find the corresponding point in the video for the subtitle. Adjust the length of the text clip by dragging the edges in the timeline. Repeat this process for each subtitle you need to add. Once all subtitles are in place, play back the timeline to check for accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments to timing and formatting in the inspector. When satisfied, navigate to the Deliver page to export your project. Choose your preferred export settings for the video file. Click on Add to Render Queue and then start render to finalize your project. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.